Not too long ago, I was overwhelmed, broke, and drowning into guilt as a stay at home mommy. And life wasn't what I imagined it will be. And it was like we are on surviving mode. It was like we are not living. And the online space never ever crossed my mind. I was one of those people thinking to make money online is a joke, it's not real. Until I discover a step by step blueprint. You guys, I follow 5 steps every day using my social media platforms to generate an income as a stay at home mom. No products to create, no experience needed, no tech skills, just the right system. And let me tell you, you don't need all day to start making money online. You just need a right system to follow. I master a 2-hour workday following these steps. I went from stress, stuck, and unsure to start earning online as a stay at home mommy. You guys, I replaced my husband's overtime with my 2-hour workday. If you are one of those people thinking to make money online is a joke, we have this free webinar. The webinar is totally free, and they will take you through step by step exactly what we as digital marketers do to generate an income online. So if you want to be part of our free webinar, put the word webinar in my comments and it will be my biggest pleasure to equip you with a link.